Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this two-year platform, which is Sprinklr and Loomly. So to get started with a quick overview, Sprinklr is a full suite enterprise level social media and customer experience platform in 2025, offering a robust solution that goes beyond posting, covering social listening, paid media optimization, customer service integration, and advanced analytics. It's built for large corporations and global brands that need a unified customer data across multiple touch points. And Loom is a contrast in a much more streamlined content calendar and a scheduling tools designed for small teams, creators, agencies. It emphasizes ease of use and providing a preview, teams approval, and a basic analytics without the blunt of enterprise tools. And here's what this platform are best for, starting with the enterprise brand and the corporation with a complex customer engagement needs. And here's the downside of Sprinklr. That's a steep learning curve, and it is expensive and not accessible for small teams. And the price plan also can be priced a little, so it has a custom enterprise pricing, typically between $1,000 to $1,500 with no free plan. And talking about Loom, it's best for small to mid-sized business needing a clean and collaborative publishing tools. So, and it has some downside too, starting with the basic analytics compared to enterprise platform, no advanced social listening or customer service tools, and the pricing also starts at $42 per month for 2 users together with the free 15 days free trial available. And here's the viral conclusion about these two platforms. So you can choose Sprinklr if you're managing a large scale brand with a global presence, also need an enterprise compliance together with a unified customer engagement across social media support and ads. It's also powerful, but only if you truly need all the features. You can simply go with Loom if you are a creator and need a small business or a marketing teams looking for a clean, easy to use content management and a scheduling platform that keeps things organized without enterprise complexity. So let me know in the comment section what your feelings about these two platforms. Thanks.